In this demonstration, we will add a domain manually. To add a domain manually, log into the MailAssure control panel. On the left menu, navigate to General and select Domains Overview. Click Add Domain. Select Setup Manually. Click Next. Assigning a domain establishes the control of a domain. The only users who can access the domain will be the technicians of the top-level tenant admin and the technicians of the subadmin to which it has been assigned. Enter the domain name and assign the domain to an admin. Click Next. In the destination route hostnames fields, add the mail server address, IP or fully qualified domain name, along with the port incoming mail is to be routed through after filtering. In this example, we will add a domain and set the port to 25. Click Add Route to include additional routes and ports for the domain. The drag and drop feature reorders destinations and ports. Adding multiple routes can aid in load balancing or to set an alternative route in case of failover. Hosts will be tried in the order shown. If MailAssure is unable to establish a connection to any listed host, then messages will be queued. To keep message logs, quarantine and archive storage, and message delivery within a specific geographic region, choose the territory from the region drop-down. It is recommended to use the default global region to make optimal use of globally distributed cloud and infrastructure redundancy. In this example, we will set it to global. Click Next. Follow the domain verification steps to authenticate ownership of the domain you are adding. When done, click Verify. Configure the default settings for the domain. Incoming filtering. If enabled, all incoming email will be filtered. Email Scout reports. If enabled, a report detailing quarantined messages will be automatically enabled for each recipient in the domain, sent up to 3 times per day. If only accept email to your defined mailboxes is enabled, mail will only be accepted to mailboxes that exists in MailAssure. If email archiving is enabled, MailAssure will automatically save a copy of messages that pass through the filter. If private portal is enabled, 4 policies will be created automatically every time the sync runs, to send emails that match the criteria to the private portal. Set the time zone for the domain. Select a date and time format. Click Next. The summary is shown. Click Finish and configure mailboxes. After the domain is configured, modify your MX records in your domain provider's DNS settings to point to the correct MailAssure routes.